Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 2-01 steering box mount plate. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-01 steering box mounting plate. So open up template. We can save 2-01. Yes, override because I was after that one. Okay, so now let's go top plane, sketch. Let's now create a. We want to create square, but it's gonna be on the angle, so 3-point corner square. Oh, here we go. There you go. Smart dimension. Before you do, actually, you put a center line there. Yeah, I hate when it does that. And that's going to be parallel, beautiful. Put that one to that one, so lock that in. There we go. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. There's going to be 69.7. 69.7. There we go, that's locked in. Beautiful. Now we want to do some circles. So they're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to be 8 mil. Yep, 8 mil. 8. 8. 8. And 8. And they're going to be 8 mil from there. 8 mil from there. 8 mil from there. And this will be the last one. Yeah, it works. 8 mil from there. There we go, locked in. Beautiful. We've got to turn this, but we do that with the chamfer. Okay, so that's going to be mid-plane. Now, mid-plane is going to come very important on this one. That's going to be 6.5 deep thickness, what we like to call it. And there we go. That's our first part done. Beautiful. Now we want fillet. That's what I meant. That's going to be 8. That one. That one. That one. And that one. And okay. There we go. Beautiful. Go back to the top. Now we need to do a square cut through there, but it's going to be cut through an angle. So we need to go to right side. We need to go to sketch. We need to do a line, a construction line at an angle. And that's going to be 60%. Sorry, 60 degrees. 60 degrees. There we go. Now on the end of that, let's now exit out of that. Plane. Click on the end of that one and click on that line. There we go. We want normal 2 on that one. But go down here to do sketch. If you try click there, you might click on the wrong thing. Okay, so now we want just a normal square with center. That's going to be 51 across. 51 and 31. Now, if we got this correct, extrude, mid-plane, Oh, not mid-plane. What am I doing? Through all. And okay. So we should have that correct. That's looking good. Looking very good. So this line here and this line here are going to be equal. From this point, this point, this point, this point should be equal. Let me hide that one. There we go. Let me hide that one. Just get out of the road. Let me normal to. Let's see. Evaluate. Measure. So this one to there is 26.26. This one to there. What's not showing measurement? Oh, 18.2. Let's show 80.2. There you go. It's correct. See, it's the same measurement. I'd be worried there. For some reason it showed full length, but 18.2. There you go. It's exactly perfect. Nice. So that is all we need to do on that piece, I believe. Yes, it is. Excellent. So let's do a nice little color on this. Milk cool gray. There we go. So that is part 2-01 steering box mounting plate done. So thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed that, click the like button, subscribe, and leave comments. I will see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.